Hello everybody, it's Rhonda and I want to show you a little wreath that I made using a little birdhouse I had. So anyway, I just added some little hydrangeas and some peony blooms. Just some little different sprigs of different color flowers. And then I used some burlap and lace ribbon to make a bow. And then over here, I added my little birdhouse. So I think my wreath came out cute, and I'm going to try to get a whole shot. So that is my little birdhouse wreath. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later.